My sister is doing breakfast for her daughter.
Everyone's gonna eat.
For everyone. She's grating the cheese, and it's gonna be pretty amazing. So cheesy, gritty, cheesy shrimp grits.
Cheesy shrimp grits.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna be cooking today. I'm making a salmon miso soup. I'm excited about this.
So you're making hazelnut milk.
All I want is hazelnut oat milk, and they don't make it on the market. But this is why.
You know what? I don't understand about the whole hazelnut thing. People like hazelnut. I don't see enough of it out there in the world. I'm following your little tutorial.
Well, it's the upper half of you.
Okay.
Oh.
So I feel really happy. My family here, and I'm cooking. This is very nice.
I'm excited. It smells good in here.
Parmesan garlic butter. So technically, with all this stuff being cleaned up, there should not be anything in this sink.
But I want you to make that miso soup before we leave.
Oh yes, when you guys.
What you doing now?
Oh, it is working.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it didn't have to get really hot anyway. Just adding all of the tea even helped to thicken it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Because at first I was thinking,
gonna be your creamer, or
this gonna be my creamer.
Oh.
The tea itself is a medium roast coffee substitute tea anyway. And there it is. Hazelnut creamer.
Now.
Yep. Shake it up a little bit, and we set to go. Coffee.
She did some
Hazelnut oat milk creamer.
this morning.
This is so good.
Where's your coffee?
Okay, I am getting ready to get started on the miso salmon soup. Vegetable broth. Okay, let that come to a simmer. The salmon in there. It don't take no time. Turmeric. For right now, just a little bit of salt.
That's an umbrella.
I've been looking for some. I just don't know.
They just be expensive. And it's
Yeah.
kind of hard to tell what to buy.
Ooh, that looks good. I've added the miso. 3 packets, all 3 packages.
Well, from as I know, I guess nobody was eating. But that one night when he left and made us that awful